So in a personal account, you just click on price list analyzer right here, and you're able to upload your price list. But before we start, I show you our default settings. They are the same as we have in the extension. But also you can choose a calculation model based on current buy box price or averages. I recommend you to use average buy box price for 90 or 30 days, because in this case, you use average number, not like price spikes or price drops, and final result will be clear. So how to analyze a price list? For example, you get a price list from your supplier. You click upload, choose the price list. I have one. Click open.
Okay, so this is from the supplier, right? From the supplier. So this is after doing the research or before doing the research using the add-on?
It depends on the model you do. For example, if you do in online arbitrage, you probably can parse supplier website somehow. We don't provide those services, but I know a lot of sellers who just go to retail websites and parse their deals list. For example, what is the deal for today, and they upload lists and analyze them. But if you do wholesaling, you probably have a relationship with suppliers. You have a CRM, you send them emails, you open a buyer's account, and once you open a buyer account at your supplier, they provide you with their product catalog, and you need to quickly understand if there are any profitable products, right? So they provide you with a supplier catalog, you upload it, and then you connect your supplier. For example, you can choose existing one or create.
Is there any limit on how much products we can upload?
I think it's like 50,000 per upload, something like that. Maybe 20,000. I'm not sure, but it's enough to analyze whole price list. So you add supplier if needed, and then you click next. The system fetch first number like 10 rows or so, and try to map fields. In this case, we need to know product IDs, like identifiers like UPC or EIN, and we need to choose a column where those IDs stored, and the system found UPC's column right here and map it, right? Identifier is UPC. Okay. Then we need to know product cost. We found it in the unit price right here. Product title goes in the product name field, so we need to remap it by our own. And also, I recommend you to use a product code, because it's useful for reordering the product. Usually, supplier want their supplier SKU. So when you reorder them, it's better to have supplier SKU mapped right here. You can see that at product code. And also, at this point, you're able to override your default settings. Now, as I show you, we have default settings for analyzing price list catalog. If you want to set like specific shipping cost per pound or per item, or maybe you want like skip or add some prep center costs. For example, your supplier is sending directly to Amazon, and you don't need any prep costs. You just go and skip it. And then you click Analyze Price List button, and price list going for analysis.